Hello, dear viewer. Welcome back to Food Fact for You. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of food, unraveling the mysteries behind the appealing gloss of lemons and other produce you find in your local supermarket. Ever wondered about that picture-perfect shine on a lemon and its role in making your dishes vibrant and enticing? The lemon is a popular fruit worldwide, known for its refreshing taste and versatility in both culinary and non-culinary applications. Lemons are typically bright yellow to yellow-green in color, oval or elliptical in shape, with a smooth peel and a juicy interior. The taste is sour and refreshing, while the aroma is aromatic and distinctive. The lemon is likely originated from northern India, where it has been cultivated for thousands of years. The fruit spread through the Middle East to Europe and was disseminated throughout the Mediterranean region during Roman times. Lemon trees thrive in subtropical climates, mainly in regions with mild winters and warm summers. Major lemon-producing countries include Spain, Italy, Turkey, India, Argentina, and the United States. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and are often praised for their health benefits, including aiding digestion, promoting healthy skin, supporting weight loss, and detoxifying the body. All sounds fantastic. But is the lemon placed so fantastically and cleanly in the supermarket? The shiny layer on the lemon peel didn't originate on the tree, but from a substance in the factory called shellac. Shellac is used to give a nice shine to lemons, as well as other vegetables and fruits, including mandarins and apples. In addition, a layer of wax is applied to the lemon so that water vapor cannot escape from the peel. This way, the producer prevents the lemon from drying out and thus not being sellable. Shellac is essentially an extra protective layer, so your lemon looks beautiful and juicy, and the producer hardly has to worry about a dried-out yield. Shellac is made from the secretion of the female lac bug, a creature that mainly occurs in Southeast Asia. The female bug secretes a resinous substance while feeding on the tree's sap. The secretion, produced by the bugs for protection against predators, is scraped off the tree branches, purified, and processed into flakes in the factory. For 1 kilogram of lemon shellac, the secretion of about 300,000 lac bugs is needed, so quite a bit of scraping is done. Not only is shellac used for lemon wax, but the bug is also the major supplier for coloring everyday products on supermarket shelves, especially the pink hue. The glazing agent is not only found on vegetables and fruits. Even everyday products like candy and chocolate can contain shellac for exactly the same reason, to make the product shine. A shiny product is an attractive product, and that's what the consumer likes to buy. Shellac has been used for centuries in various cultures, especially in India. In traditional Indian culture, shellac is used to glaze and make Mysore pak, a popular Indian sweet dish, more attractive. But shellac is considered a natural and sustainable product due to its biological origin. The use of shellac is sometimes praised from a sustainability standpoint because it is a renewable source and is not harmful to the environment when harvested correctly. Also, check out our other video on bug juice in our food, link at the end of the video. Thank you for joining us in this insightful gastronomic adventure. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.